welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, welcome. I hope you enjoy the content. And if you are returning, welcome back. So today I am really excited. We are going to be doing an eye look with the Coca-Cola Morphe palette. I am so excited. Like, I got this today and I had to jump on and shoot a video because it is amazing. Just look at this color story for real. Like, it's so pretty. So, we are going to be doing a fun eye look. I'm going to be focusing predominantly on these blues right here, just to do something a little different and a little fun and make it a little sparkly. So the very first shade that I'm going to be putting on is going to be this shade right here. So it gives us a little frosty lid look. And I'm going to do the same lid to the other side. And I like to dab just like a little eye brightener right in the corners. Now I'm going to take my brush in this deeper color right here, and I'm going to do my lid. Now the way I like to do my lid is I like to do it darker on the corners and kind of fade in going into the inner eye. I know a lot of people like to do their crease before they do their lid, but for some reason I've always just been opposite, and yeah, it works for me. Okay. Now I'm going to take this silver color right here, and I'm going to kind of pack that onto my lid. It's really, really pretty, but it's coming across a little chunky. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really pretty. I just wish it was a little more creamy. But one thing I do know about Morphe glitter shadows is they are so hard to get off because they will stay on. I'm gonna put some more in here. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing to this eye now. Oh, I love this glitter look. I'm a glitter girl, so I love glitter. I will put glitter on anything, and I love it. Okay. Now I'm going to take this light blue, it's like a light blue glitter, and I'm going to be on my crease, but more closer to my inner eye on the crease. So it would be like a lighter blue ombreing into the darker blue. Oh, this color, this is my favorite color. in this palette right now. Wow, it's so creamy. This color comes like right on the brush, and it is so creamy. And it looks like when I like turn in the lights, it's almost like there's different color glitter in it, and it's like reflecting in like this little flip. I love it. Look at me, I'm like, ooh. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I got my blues in there. I got my silver glitter in there. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to do a lighter color on the upper part underneath my brow. So I'm gonna go in with this color because this is a very bone color. Oh yeah, and we're gonna blend it in. Their mattes are so creamy too. Okay, so for fun, I'm actually gonna add some glitter liner to this. I don't know what brand this is because yeah, it's worn off, but I got it on eBay, and I mean not eBay, on Amazon in a pack of like 6 for like $11, and they're supposed to be very similar to the Stila eye glitters. They actually are. They last pretty well too. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to put this on a line on my lid. Now, because the look is so sparkly and pigmented, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of under eyeliner as far as like shading it in, and I'm going to put a little bit on the top. So, but a lot of it's going to be more lashes than liner with this look. So this is, oh, by the way, I'm using an Ulta gel liner in black. And I'm just going to connect the bottom and pop it out. And then I'm going to draw a little line towards the top. And pop that out. Now, normally I'll do like a full line across, but with this look, I'm just going to kind of do like a little side cat eye. All right, and then I'm going to do my lashes. And I am going to be using Clinique High Impact Mascara. Why is it whenever we do our like eyes on the bottom, we're always doing this? I don't know. Do you ever do that? Because I know I literally do it all the time. There you go. I'm doing it now. Alright, so this is my eye look done with the Coca-Cola Morphe palette. I am in love with this palette. The pigments are so creamy, so smooth. There's not a lot of fallout on that I've had on this palette, and you can create so many different looks. So this is my first look with the Morphe Coca-Cola palette. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please make sure to like this video, and please subscribe, as I'm going to be posting as frequent as I can. And please check me out on Instagram. Feel free to say hello. I love talking to you guys. If you have any suggestions of any other kind of content that you'd like to see on this channel, send me a comment, send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.